Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reading Hindu newspaper, and in this newspaper I found one article that is very interesting, and it will be a current affairs in upcoming examinations. So I try to read it, and the headline says that DMK lays down condition to support delimation bill. Now the headline says DMK lays down condition to support the delimation bill. Now, the first question is, what is delimation? So, delimation means changing the boundaries of parliament, constituency, and deciding how many seats each state will get in the Lok Sabha. This process is usually based on the latest population data. If a state's population has increased a lot, then that state will get more seats on the basis of the population. If another state's population has grown slowly, it may now get fewer seats compared to other. So, and I also note down all the words that is very new and I saw it first time. So delimations means, you are able to understand, delimations means it is changing the boundaries of parliament, constituency, and deciding how many seats will each state will get. Now come to the another topic. Now we come to the another topic. Now what is DMK? DMK. This you are able to see what is DMK. DMK is a political party from Tamil Nadu, and it was founded in 1949. The current president of DMK is MK Stalin, who was former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and currently the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Vijay Thalapathy Vijay. Says it is ready to support, the DMK party is ready to support the delimation bill, but only if the central government accepts some important conditions. Their first condition is that the current seat distribution should continue for another 25 years. The second condition is that all the states should receive around a 50% increase in Lok Sabha seats, so that this is a Lok Sabha, so that no one state feels it is losing political power. The third condition is that the government should clearly explain how many seats each state will receive before passing the bill. Why is this issue so sensitive? Some southern states like Tamil Nadu control the population growth very successfully over the years. Because of this, they worry that if seats are decided on only by the populations today, states like Tamil Nadu will lose their political influences in the future. On the other hand, the central government says that the delimation is very important in the constitutional process and should be carried out fairly. At the moment, decisions are still going on, and so final decisions will be made. So this debate is not just about increasing seats, it is about fair representation, balance, and ensuring that every state's voice is heard in India's democracy. That is all for today's explanation. If you found the video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.